Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on showing and hiding likes on posts on Threads. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the Threads app and tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to get to your profile page. On your profile, tap the globe icon in the top left. Tap Hide Likes at the bottom of the menu. Tap the toggle to the right of Hide Likes to hide and unhide likes. When the toggle is blue, likes are hidden, and when it is grey, they are visible. When you hide and unhide likes, the setting will apply to both Threads and Instagram. If you would like to hide likes on your own posts, you need to go to Advanced Settings before sharing a post. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Threads tips and tricks.